What is Coltrane Energy? Coltrane Energy was started by a group of men in Missouri doing utility construction and trucking who were looking for something different, something that aligned more with who they were and what America is. We love this country and what she stands for. So if you are out there digging holes, picking corn, rolling down the big road, up to your elbows in grease, sitting in a deer stand, holding the blue line, representing the thin red line, or protecting our freedoms, home or abroad, to make all this possible, we thank you, and God bless.